These people are all making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, investing no more than 5 minutes worth of work each day. If you're interested in making money online with YouTube, but you don't want to show your face, then this is the perfect strategy for you. Anyone from anywhere in the world can do this with just their mobile phone. No video editing is involved, no showing your face, as I said before, and yes, this is indeed free to do. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you check out the very first link down below in the description. There you will see how I myself make money online and passive income, giving me the time to do whatever makes me happy. And with that said, let's get to the video. Okay, so today I have an awesome strategy to share with you guys to make a lot of money on YouTube. And not only will I show you several examples of people doing this and making a ton of money, but I will show you how you can do the same thing as well. And basically, what these people are doing is they are crushing various items with their car. And the main reason you'd want to do the same thing is because creating such a video is insanely easy to do. There's no thumbnail editing, no video editing, no intro or outro. Literally, they just take a camera, film themselves running over something with their car, and they upload it straight onto YouTube. How easy is that? Furthermore, these people are all making literally hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, as I will soon show you. But before we get to that, let me answer a question most of you will be asking yourself. Who in the world would watch these kind of videos? Well, believe it or not, a lot of people watch these videos. They are oddly satisfying and entertaining as well. In fact, the numbers some of these channels are getting are outright ridiculous, all things considered. Now, with that being said, there is something that even these people don't know about, a trick that I will show you later on to allow you to earn even more money. Now, here is the very first channel I wanted to show you today. It's called Hello Maffy. When you come onto this person's channel, it doesn't take too long until you see the types of videos they are uploading that I was talking about. As you can see, all of these videos have gotten thousands of views, to say the very least. We've gotten nearly 200,000 views. This one got 220,000 views, and so on. So those are some very decent numbers, but they're actually not even close to the highest numbers this channel has gotten. The most popular video on this channel has gotten over 1 billion views, as you can see. And it's, of course, a video of them running over something with their car. This shows you just how much insane potential this has to get you paid. This shows that there is an audience for these types of videos. Even though at first glance it may seem like nobody would watch something like that, this proves that that's quite the contrary. The most popular video, however, is far from the only one with big numbers. These other ones you see are extremely popular too. This one has gotten over 300 million views. This one has gotten nearly 200 million views, nearly 60 million views, and so on. Point being here that there are people who would watch these types of videos, and more importantly for us, there are many of them, meaning that you can make a lot of money here. Let me now show you what these videos actually consist of, because I did say prior they are very easy to make. This is the most popular video I talked about before, and check this out. As this video is playing, you can see there's no intro whatsoever. It just gets straight to the point, so to speak. And as the video progresses, you will see just short clips that are no longer than 15 to 20 seconds, all merged into one video compilation that's 5 minutes long in total. And by the way, if I skip to near the end of this video, you can also see that there's no outro either, as I said before. Long story short, guys, creating these videos is incredibly simple and easy. They're just compilations of things being run over with a car. You can literally record this on a phone when you're starting out. Only later would I recommend buying a camera, but starting out you don't need any expensive equipment nor skills whatsoever. And by the way, I'll give you a free tool that you can use to create a compilation, so don't worry about that either. Before we get to that though, let me show you how many views in total the previously shown channel has gotten. And by the way, guys, you will see some discouraging info regarding the money on Social Blade here, but do keep in mind that the reason the owner of this channel is making such small amounts of money is because until recently, there were no videos for 3 months, and that tends to reduce the amount of money made drastically. Anyway, take a look at this. The total number of views the channel has gotten is nearly 2 billion, which is just insane. The CPM for the types of videos that the owner is uploading is around $5 for 1,000 views. So if you do the math, that's roughly speaking around $10 million made in total for just crushing items with their car. Just let that sink in for a moment. As you can see, even though it seems at first glance that making those videos isn't worthwhile, it most definitely is, and you can earn thousands of dollars creating them. That, however, is far from the only person making a ton of money crushing items with their car. This channel, called Life Hacks and Experiments, is doing literally the same thing. Here's one video I opened up just to show and prove to you that the videos are no different. As you can see, once again, no special video editing, no intro or outro, just short clip compilations that are combined for a longer video. That is far from the only commonality with the previous channel, though. The most popular videos from this channel have received hundreds of millions of views, proving once again just how much potential this has. If we go over to Social Blade, you will find that the owner of this channel is actually making a decent amount of money per month, up to $50,000. This is because, as you will see on the channel itself, the owner uploads videos somewhat regularly, which in turn keeps the views at a decently high number, resulting in more money made. The craziest part, however, is yet to come. According to Social Blade, the channel has received 3.5 billion views in total, far more than that previous example. That would amount to over $15 million made in total, which is just mind-blowing. As you can see, guys, there is huge potential here, and these videos are incredibly popular. With that said, here's something noteworthy I have to mention. Don't expect to earn millions of dollars. I am showing you all of this so you can see how much potential this has. I am not trying to say you will earn millions of dollars because chances are you won't. But you can nevertheless still expect to make thousands of dollars a month if you keep at it and stay persistent. And with that said, let me now show you what you want to do so you can create these kinds of videos and make a lot of money. The first step would be to think about what items crushing with your car would generate big views. Here's a pro tip so you can get a lot of views. You want to first do some research and see what's trending right now. Just type that into Google and you'll be able to get some ideas for your soon-to-be video. In this way, guys, you can record and upload videos that people are much more likely to check out. You stand a much higher chance for your video to go viral. For example, fidget spinners used to be trending a few years back. If you back then recorded a video of you crushing them with your car, there's a huge chance you would have gotten a lot of views, and in the end, research is a huge and very overlooked part of uploading videos. By doing adequate research, you can do very well for yourself on YouTube. The next step from there would be the actual filming of the video, and as I said before, you can most definitely start off with just your phone, and only buy a camera later on once your channel gets going. A software you can use to create a compilation from your short clips I highly recommend is this one here called Clideo.com. You can use this absolutely free tool to combine multiple short clips into one video that you can then upload onto YouTube. To do so, just click on Video Marker here, and then open up the clips from your PC, and that's it. You can then go ahead and upload that compilation video onto YouTube. Since almost no video editing is involved, you don't need something as complex as Sony Vegas, for example. With all of that said, guys, let me conclude this video with one final tip. Be persistent. If you aren't persistent and you don't upload regularly, you will never get big or even have half-decent numbers of views. You must upload regularly and at least once a week in order to get your channel going. From there, you can just upload like one video per month and that would be enough. Once again, for those of you who are looking for a more long-term strategy to make money online, be sure to check out the first link in the description box below. And with that said, if you are enjoying these videos of mine and you want to see more, be sure to leave a thumbs up below. Every single one is highly appreciated. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the forthcoming content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.